Take a look at the latest construction updates at Disneyland Paris in collaboration with DLP Works. From new developments to ongoing refurbishments, here's what's changing around the parks and what you can expect in the near future. In Frozen Land, the marina is now full of shimmering water, with the Snedroningen boat proudly installed. The charming village of Arendelle is nearly complete, receiving its final details, while landscaping work shapes the surrounding area. Up on the North Mountain, a few final scaffolds remain as finishing touches are added. Around the lake, pathways have been outlined and paved, guiding future visitors through beautifully designed spaces. Lampposts of various styles have been installed, and in some areas new barriers are being put in place. 2 small kiosks now flank the bascule bridge, and nearby the Frozen Lighthouse is fully completed and ready to shine as a new icon of the area. At the center of the lake, technical installations have been placed for testing the upcoming nighttime show. These are not yet themed, but will be integrated into the environment in the next phase of development. Construction on the new restaurant is nearly finished. The facades are getting their final coats of paint, and while most of the structure is complete, small rooftop domes are still waiting to be added. In the East Pavilion, the new fast food and show control building is structurally complete and is now receiving its first layers of paint. The final look will feature Art Nouveau styling with graceful murals to match. Over in Lion King Land, activity has ramped up since the recent permit announcement. Groundwork is in full swing, preparing the site for vertical construction starting this September. Adventure Way is now bursting with new greenery. Many trees have been planted, giving the area a lush, fresh feel. The space cleared for the up-themed attraction is now fully visible, and landscaping work continues across the avenue. The Rapunzel attraction is progressing steadily, and the nearby roundabout has been prepared for planting. Near the entrance to Adventure Way from the Avengers campus side, construction walls are now up for the upcoming Alice show. Paving in front of the Studio Theatre has been redone, with new lampposts and greenery now in place. The stage itself has also been slightly redesigned for a cleaner, more streamlined look. From Arendelle to Adventure Way, and every step in between, Disneyland Paris is transforming into something truly magical, and the journey is just beginning. There isn't much new construction news to report this week, so instead, sit back and enjoy some atmosphere shots from our latest visit to Disneyland Park.
Weet je wat je ook kunt doen? Gewoon even rondkijken.
Of de